I want to design a collection inspired by STUSSY. The thing is, I'm going to give myself only 1 hour to make this whole collection. 4 items. Bro, what am I doing right now? I'm going to be using today's sponsor, Kittle, to design this whole thing from ground up. And to make matters even worse, I forgot my mouse at home, so I'm literally just using a drawing tablet on a web design service. Let's go ahead and get locked in and see. So hour started, gotta go to print on demand, and we gotta go with this one right here, which is the Printful t-shirt. Let's go ahead and press create. This is a bit too high, so I'm gonna crop this in just a bit. We need shapes. We need some sort of shape that we can use as a base. Bro, it's design 1 and I'm already stressing because I can't figure out what I want to do. I just need a shape. This one. In basic shapes. Let's just make this a little bit bigger, right? Like this. Next, we need some text. We need a good font. This one's interesting. Let's go add a red to this. We're gonna keep this one. What I find funny is, even though I planned for this project ahead of time, I still try to find ways of making the design look cool. I don't know. I was just stressing. It's coming together. We need a script font. That looks good. That's coming together. Kind of like that. I think maybe we should add a back design. STUSSY is known for having back designs at a artboard. I'm gonna go ahead and use the eraser, but I just want to rasterize the image. That's why I'm gonna click the eraser, just to rasterize it. Let's add some textures. Oh, they've added photocopy textures. Kiddo, I've added photocopy textures. Oh my gosh. They're listening. They're listening. Mouse texture. Oh yeah, okay. Design 1, the front is done. What do I need now? I need another element. At this point, I was quite confident that I could get this done, but considering it took me 10 minutes just to find photos for this design and finding a shape, it was getting quite scary. Ooh, this one's great too. This is like literally just looks like STUSSY, no? Perfect. And now if we go to textures, what's this one? Screen? I can't decide, screen or highlight. Mask texture. Bam, design 1 complete. So I feel like the best way to go about this is do all the mock-ups and everything at the end and just focus on the designs right now. Design 1, the t-shirt design with the fruit basket. I think that's STUSSY coded. It matches the brand identity perfectly and I 100% rock with it. I'd go 100% with that design most times. It's really, really good and it turned out really fire. Now, if you guys wanted to be a bit more creative or wanted to just learn design in general, Kittle is an amazing platform because all you really need is an internet connection and a stable device to get started designing today. If you click the link in the bio, it helps the channel out and I recommend going with the pro plan because it allows you to create a lot of crazy things with Kittle. And with constant updates, Kittle just consistently gets better. So if you want to start learning today, make sure you click that link in my bio and let's go ahead and get started. So for the hoodie, I want to do like a cowboy. This one right here. I need to drop down this like kerning. The more that I think about it, I do believe that this hoodie was cheating. Main reason is because see that main cowboy image? I already used that in a graphic prior to this. So I don't know. I think for this hoodie, I'm gonna keep it nice and simple, like white hoodie. Ooh, maybe let me change the, where's Phil? Where's the element? I'm losing my mind. We got 30 minutes left to do 2 more designs. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Ooh, wait, I'm doing this hard way. West LA, South Australia, East China. What does that have in correlation? Nothing. It's a design. That's funny. Let's go into textures, bring it all together. I have it on color burn. Hoodie done. This goddamn gray hoodie design, I feel like that was a little bit too lazy because I had already generated the image with Kittle before. So that's kind of cheating. I don't really know. It looks good though. I love this this cowboy design, but I don't know if it's cheating or not. Let's move over to the hat. It's been 35 minutes. My phone turned off. My bad, my phone turned off. So I don't have the time anymore. It's been about 35 minutes. I can see the recording. So we had a little bit more time. I was stressing for no reason. I'm making another like sort of tag. There's nothing unique on the STUSSY website, so I guess I have free reign to do whatever I want. I'll just make like I'll make another tag one. So let's get back to Kittle. Let's change this color. I don't know really what I want to do. I think I'm gonna start with a script. Oh, what am I missing? I need to start. How long do we have left? Oh, we got 15 minutes. Let's add some texture. Bam, I bumped that out quick. That was like 5 minutes. This was in fact not quick. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out if this thing needs styles or not. I'm gonna keep this like this because it's going straight on a hat, so it needs to be clean. You know what? This hat graphic is making me, rethink that I can get this done. I have literally 20 minutes. I have 20 minutes, bro. So we got last design. It's going to be a set with shorts. Let me name all these boards. I think for the front, I'm going to do something simple on this one. And for the back, I'm going to go ahead and like do something quite crazy, like a handyman maybe with the same patch, like STUSSY, I don't know, bro. I'm freestyling my head off. I don't want the AI Copilot. I want the image generator, Flux Pro 1.1. And who is this beautiful, handsome young lad? This is a look I'm kind of going for. What is this called? 50s. Okay, we're gonna put down the input. I just need an image. I just need something. You know what? This could work. Basically, I'm trying to do something like this. Let's upscale this. Let's remove the background. And then let's go ahead and vectorize it. Let's do 2 colors. Just make my own. I need like a vintage font, like something like this. Yeah, let's transform this text. Something like this. Let's add a border to this. Let's say we're putting this on a black hoodie. So I want to make yellow the highlight color. For the fill, I'm going to make it white. And I want to do something like this. Let's get this. Nope, let's not replace it. Let's do 2004. We gotta start with like the 1925 because none of us were born in 19. If I was born, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm gonna just put 2004. High school. This is gonna be printed on a black shirt. Right, this last design is driving me insane because what do you mean I can't find its shape? I think it's called option paralysis. Kittle is really good, but they have too much options sometimes. Like, which one should I pick? I like it. That one's not my favorite, but I like it. We got it done. We got 2 minutes left. I'm not making these mock-ups in 2 minutes. I'm not making these mock-ups in 2 minutes, gang. But look, we got all the designs done, right? That's all that matters, right? Let's try some textures before we finalize this in our last 30 seconds. Setting that to overlay made that look extremely sick, so make sure I do that. So that's a complete collections of designs done in an hour using just Kittle. If you go to elements and you go to illustration, there should be something called clothing, and in here they have a few mock-ups. Some of them are like more streetwear focused, some of them are just like general design, like something like this. Let's say you wanted to make this hoodie like all gray, and if you make a duplicate of that and then you turn off all these other colors, which one was I gotta figure out which one was, yeah, that one. And then you make a duplicate, turn back on your actual zipper, you select it all, and then you align it you can make a mock-up fairly easily. Just go ahead and group this, and bam. That's how you make a mock-up using Kittle. We could make all the mock-ups in here, but I want to see these on realistic mock-ups, so this is what they look like. The gray hoodie graphic, to me, is a bit lazy because I had already generated the cowboy for a different video. I was testing out some concepts for the last, I guess, luxury video. For the hat graphic, I really like how this one turned out. Again, it's a simple logo design that works almost seamlessly within the STUSSY ecosystem. Like if STUSSY would have put this on a hat with like the embroidery that they do, like their dad hats, you wouldn't even know that this was designed in Kittle. For the gray set with shorts, I don't think STUSSY would approve of this graphic. I don't know, it just doesn't flow really well and it kind of doesn't make sense. I guess the freedom with the guy jumping is cool, but what it's missing, I think it's another element to tie the environment of the guy with the actual logo, because those two things are just sitting on top of each other. What would I rate this collection out of 10? I solid 8. It works perfectly within the STUSSY ID, and I honestly believe STUSSY would print something like this. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.